The charming thing about this particular home is its scale. The approach to the house unfolds slowly. We drive by a beautiful courtyard, which is supported by a great brick wall on which the hydrangea are going crazy. As you walk up the steps, you can hear the trickle of the water. There is a little bit of a distance from the steps, which lets you actually admire the house. When you enter the front door, you are welcomed by a two-story entry hall. This is warm, has beautiful scale, and is welcoming. We decided to raise the kitchen ceiling, make it into a vaulted space, and to further enhance that, we collaborated with the interior designer, Jeff Lincoln, who then brought in Smallbone, and they came up with a unique idea for the kitchen island. We added a wonderful skylight. The result is spectacular. Early morning light streaming into the kitchen, and it's a great space to live in.
People don't quite realize that you can do traditional design with a modern sensibility. And I think that's Dinyar's forte. I want to take tradition, amplify it, bring it into the 21st century, and have it make sense within the context of a historical house.
Our client felt very strongly about repurposing the stone woodwork, and so we worked extra hard to make sure that the stone facade was kept intact. Keeping an old home and refurbishing it is priceless. You can't see the other houses from the bedroom. It makes you feel like you are someplace in Vermont. Our clients are dog lovers, and so we designed a space with banker wire in it, which makes the dogs feel like they are not secluded. More and more of our clients are leaning to keeping the exterior of the house traditional, but with a modern interior. And this house meets that tagline perfectly.